Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! The following video and bed hair is coming at you for the episode of Arrow titled Collision Course. There will be spoilers in this video for it. If you don't want anything ruined for you, stop watching now. Also, this video will contain language of a frank and explicit nature. Is my hairline receding? God damn it. Anyway, viewer discretion is advised. So if you can't handle four-letter words, you don't want anything ruined for you, stop watching now. For everybody else there, hey, my many faces, I'm Dave. Darker than Davey and more savage than Vandal. And this is the Arrow Roast. If you haven't checked out my videos in a while, want to know why I'm doing what I'm doing and what lines I will and will not cross, check out my video, Arrow Roast the Rules. All right. It's been a while. I'm not entirely sure I'm back for good. But I had to come back and chime in on the fucking slap fight that was in last night's episode. Jesus Christ, what the fuck was that? Okay, for a recap, when last we left our adventuring groups, two different superhero teams. One, crybabies like a motherfucker. The other, the OG Team Arrow. They had their falling out. They had their differences. Well, since the whole thing with Caden James went down, he stole $70 million from the city. The city is about to shut the fuck down if they don't get that money back. And it looks like Laurel, looking all kinds of fine in a black wig and shit, stole the money and is the only one that knows where it is. Of course, she got kidnapped last episode. She was fighting Quentin, and Tina got shot in the gut, and Quentin decided to go all fucking Kathy Bates on her ass, take her off to a cabin in the woods, and try to get her back because he loved her. Okay. Sarah went batshit bonkers. Laurel chained her up in the basement. Got Earth 2 Laurel here. Quentin kidnaps the woman and takes her up to a freaking cabin in the woods for a daddy-daughter retreat. At this point, I'm surprised he didn't try to frickin' glory hole. Motherfucker. No one's interrupting me for this shit. Anyway. So, like I said, I'm surprised that shit didn't go bad, with Clinton and everything. It just, the only thing missing was him, like, telling Laurel not to curse and hobbling her bitch like misery. But anyway, so we got the angry frickin' team. We got Team Arrow breaking into the other team's. Wow. I apparently got very angry people here. Anyway. People want to hear my roast so bad, the phone's ringing off the hook. Oh, goddamn. Anyway. Anyway, goddamn. See, not everything happens perfectly here, guys. So, Team Pissant gets mad because Team Arrow invades. Just flat out freaking hacks in, tries to get their shit, says, "Where is Laurel? We don't have Laurel. We'd be kicking her ass." They're just all pissy and whatnot. So shit's going down. Quentin's got Laurel. Thea sneaks up behind and finds where Quentin's been hiding Laurel. Tells Team Arrow, Renee, picking a fight with Oliver, put a tracker on him. So they go to get it, but they find the tracker, they take the bug off, and so what's the only way to try to track them? They take the fucking implant that Diggle's got in his arm and turn it into a tracking thing, but it hurts the hell out of him. Personally, if you're going to hack into Diggle's arm, I'm really surprised they didn't just take the frickin' thing, so quit hitting yourself, quit hitting yourself, quit hitting yourself, Diggle, please. Ah! Be funny as hell if he went all like freaking JoJo's Bizarre Adventure on him. Oh, no. Anyway. So, Laurel says, hey, I'll give you the money back if I get Patches the fuck out of here because I don't want to deal with Tina. I understand this. So, Quentin's like, I'm coming with you. I want to have daddy-daughter retreat. I'm like, oh my God, dude. Just because her first name is Dinah Laurel Lance doesn't, the same as your ex-wife, doesn't mean you can fuck her. It's getting creepy. It's genuinely getting fucking creepy here, dude. So, we got Team Arrow versus the other guys. The artists formerly known as people I gave a fuck about. And, you know, it's not a good fight. I mean, apparently even Oliver has a sonic disruptor arrow. He's got a fucking sonic inhibitor collar arrow on his, you know, in his quiver. So, he's ready to use this son of a bitch. So, the slap fight fucking begins. At one point, Wild Dog's shooting, you know, at Laurel, trying to get away. Ends up shooting Fei in the arm. And she just shrugs off like, ow! Okay, either Fei has been taking the shaft from Oliver so much she's built up shit like frickin' martial arts techniques. Or Renee's bullets are nothing. What the hell, dude? Because actually, no, she took the shot. I mean, I know that Oliver's been doing special training with her, so I'm pretty sure she's been taking shots to the face. But anyway! Safety glasses. Oh, God. So, it just gets bad. I mean, he's trying to shoot Mr. Terrific, and his freaking tear spheres are just going all over the place, you know. So, for a guy whose main offense is balls in the face, so I'm trying not to go crazy here with the gay jokes. I'm not. But he's just standing there going, ha-ha! You can't stop me with my balls in my face technique. So, I mean, you know, so he uses spinning balls and got cocky. Apparently, then Oliver pulls out a ball fucker upper arrow. Good God, dude. This got bad. And at one point, I mean, Diggle's shaking all over the fucking place. You know, he's tried, but he's not doing all that great. At one point, Renee, you know, Wild Dog jumps in, and he's trying to hold his own against Oliver. And then Oliver beat his ass like a dog with rabies. At one point, this is the most insane thing I've ever seen. Wild Dog, you know, hockey mask. They're in the woods, loses his gun. He grabs a fucking axe and tries coming at Oliver. The only thing missing was him going, chee, ah, 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 ah. Oh. Well, Renee ain't Jason Voorhees, although he tries. Bless his little chihuahua heart. Gets his ass whooped. Eventually, Tina's about to corner Laurel. Mr. T says, no, don't do it. Oh, my God, they even made a fucking Mr. T, I pity the fool joke. Oh, God. Why? Why? This fucking Kardashian slap fight. Eventually, what happens? Laurel manages to get away because Mr. Terrific talked Tina off from killing her. The rift grew between the OGs of Team Arrow, which Fei shows up in the goddamn hospital to see how Renee's doing. Nothing! No bandage, no nothing. It's like, I'm sorry, fucking metahuman succubus is what she is. Nada! So, Renee's so fucked up, they're going to have to move him out of Star City just to get treatment. The former team is like, don't ever come near us again. We're done talking with you. So apparently Oliver just turned these guys into fucking supervillains. And, you know, it's bad enough that, you know, I don't trust you. You don't give us a reason to trust it. Oliver's a fucking hypocritical asshole. And I'm sorry, but Renee, you snitched twice. You deserve that ass whooping. Oh, God. So, Laurel manages to get away, gets to a van, says, I've been kept prisoner for 2 years. I don't know what happened. So now she's going to fake that she is the real Laurel. And Star City is going to be shutting down. So what happens next? Bum, bum, bum! I don't fucking know, but it was a lot of hype for the equivalent of stop hitting me, stop hitting me. Oh, God. This is what the show is degenerated into? No wonder I've taken a fucking pause off of roasting it. Oh, speaking of which, by the way, there is a lovely group I'm part of, and there was a gentleman this week that tried to do what he called a roast. No. There was no video, no audio. It was an opinionated post, and I'm not going to embarrass the poor kid because he named names. Look, I appreciate you trying to fill the void that I left. I don't want to ever stifle anybody's creativity, but make sure your shit's funny. That's all I have to say. Anyway, what did you guys think of Collision Course? Please like, comment, subscribe, share, pass this bad boy around, and I will see you guys later. Peace.